Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test for the first time on the iQOO Neo 6 device with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with the Snapdragon 870 model, which a lot of users are actually interested in this device. And after the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS, I think so many people are actually planning to buy this iQOO Neo 6 device at this moment. And there are also offers going on in the Amazon website at this moment, so make sure to check out the links in description in case if you are planning to buy the iQOO Neo 6 device. So as you can clearly see, this is the 8GB RAM version which I am trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and right now Wi-Fi should be disconnected. So let's start the CPU throttling test for the first time in the iQOO Neo 6 device. So even I need to see friends how much high temperatures the phone will increase and how will be the graph in the Snapdragon 870 processor in the iQOO Neo 6 device. Right now, as you can see friends, after 6 minutes of time continuously doing the CPU throttling test results, the iQOO Neo 6 device did increase up to 36 degrees Celsius regarding the temperatures. And the performance score numbers are maintaining above 3 lakhs, which is not bad after 6 minutes of time. Again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's check what's going to happen in the iQOO Neo 6 after 10 more minutes. Finally, as you can see friends, we are getting close to 15 minutes of time. Try to look at the graph. The performance did decrease and came down to 2,56,000. And you can see the temperatures did increase up to 40 degrees Celsius right now in the iQOO Neo 6 device with the Snapdragon 870 chipset, which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And this one on the day one of CPU throttling test friends, without installing any kind of applications on the day one. And CPU throttle up to 75% of its maximum performance. And without any monster mode. I did not use any monster mode at this moment. So maybe using in the monster mode we might get slightly different results, but stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. I will definitely upload that video as soon as possible, but right now these are the statistics which we got in the iQOO Neo 6 device. 75%, which is not bad I would say, but definitely the performance high score we did get about 3,43,000. That's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Until then, signing off and bye.